Okay, good morning, or afternoon, welcome to
FamilyMath483a.
FamilyMath483. This is a project I got out of this book, which is a really cool book. It's got all kinds of really neat problems and puzzles in it. And today we're going to talk about something called the Simpsons paradox. So what we're going to start out with is we're going to start out with two different puzzles here. These two together form one puzzle. These two over here form one puzzle.
Okay. Alright.
So pretend this is a hat, and this is a hat. And this hat has 5 red and 6 blues in it.
Alright.
And this hat has 3 reds and 4 blues in it.
Okay.
Okay, so you're given the choice. You know what's in the hats, but you don't know. It's all mixed up randomly. But you know this hat has 5 reds and 6 blues. This hat has 3 reds and 4 blues.
Alright.
And you want to choose the hat where you're more likely to pick a red snap cube out if you draw randomly. So I want you to reach into one of these hats sort of blindly and pick out a cube, and you get to decide which one you're going to pick. Do you want to draw out of this hat, or do you want to draw out of this hat? So what do you think?
We need to kind of find probability of you drawing a red as opposed to a blue, because the chances are the majority of the time you're going to draw blue.
In either of these, yeah.
Okay.
But in here the probability is exactly that you're going to draw red. It's going to be 5/11ths.
5/11ths, okay.
And here it's going to be 3/7ths.
All right.
I just have to figure out which is bigger. 5/11ths or 3/7ths.
Okay, 5/11ths or 3/7ths.
Well, if you multiply them by 2, you get 6/7ths and 10/11ths. And
6/7ths and 10/11ths. Okay.
so I
And
think
1/11th is a lot smaller than a 7th. So that maybe that our 5/11ths is bigger.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe 5/11ths is bigger. How else could you figure out which is bigger, 5/11ths or 3/7ths?
Well, you can multiply 5/11ths by 7 over 7.
Okay.
Multiply 3/7ths by 11 over 11.
All right.
So these are all over 77. So you have
35 over 77.
33. Well, 33 and 35.
Yeah, which one's 33?
33 is going to be our 3/7ths. And 35 is going to be the other one, 5/11ths.
Okay, so which one do you want to choose to draw, where you think you're more likely to draw red?
We want to choose this one.
Okay, so this bucket. Okay,
Yeah.
great. Now I got the same question over here. So I have 2 hats over here. This one has 6 reds and 3 blues. This one has 9 reds and 5 blues. And the question is, which one do you think you're more likely? Which one do you want to choose to draw if you want to have the best chance of getting a red?
Well, this one's 2/3.
Okay.
2/3.
2/3. And then
This
the other
one is 9/14. 2/3 and 9/14.
Okay.
Well,
we can multiply this one by 14 over 14, and this one by
28 and
28,
and then 3. 3 over 3. Because we get our common denominator of 42.
Common denominator is 42. Okay, so
Yep.
what does this one end up being?
This one ends up, so I'm gonna simplify this to be 2/3.
Okay.
So this one ends up being 28 over 42.
All right.
And the other one's 27 over 42.
So you want to choose this one.
Okay. I want to choose this one.
So both of these.
So in our game, where we did these 2 hats and these 2 hats, you wanted to pick this one,
And you wanted to pick.
and you wanted to pick this one. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Now I'm going to change the game.